Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
And if you are new to our family, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and also turn on y'all's post notifications, and also help us out with a like and be a part of our family and comment and let us know how y'all feel. But without further ado, Lauren has something to share with y'all.
Yes, okay, so I'm only doing this because I want Pretty Little Things to sponsor me, but
I said Pretty Little Things.
I bought some boots off their website, so I'm gonna show y'all.
You haven't even seen them?
Yeah, I haven't even opened it, obviously. But they're low-key either for my birthday or for Valentine's Day. Ooh, these are sexy. You can't tell me.
Hey, those are kind of nice.
Oh yeah. Low-key, it's kind of higher than I thought, but I like how it's thick.
I like the suede too. And it's suede on here.
Yeah.
I'm more sure y'all can tell though. What we're doing today on our video, it's a little challenge. We're gonna do
We're gonna start our challenges.
We can make it into a
channel.
playlist if y'all like also, but
Yeah.
we're for sure gonna do a lot of challenges on here. And our first one is using water. We gotta get this water in our mouth and we're gonna watch this video that we saw. We saw a little bit, literally 1 second of it. And it was so funny. Well, y'all are gonna see it too. We're gonna put it at the bottom wherever we want the video to be, but
Yeah.
it's gonna be funny. We're gonna go, we don't know who's gonna win. We're gonna be keeping track of who spits their water out. First off, we're gonna put water in our mouth, watch the video, whoever spits the most water out loses. So without further ado, we're gonna hop right into the video. So get some water in our mouth.
My lips. I don't wanna.
These videos are pretty funny too.
I don't wanna.
Alright. Ready?
I'm just making myself laugh more.
I know. Let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
What up, y'all? We back again. This is Top Things. Tackling goals for this year felt a lot like this.
Look, I choked on my water. I choked on my water and I couldn't stop. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, drink one too. Oh, that shit was funny. Baby, that's funny as hell, bro.
I'm just imagining you do it.
You gotta do a little bit of water.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's see how far he keeps up with this push-up challenge.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna kill you. He takes her to the vet and they do a lot of work. Catherine, stop! I can't
Recreating other people's time warp scans be like.
Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bra? Patty!
Hello.
Sorry, I am having trouble with the connection. Please try again in a moment.
Literally. I am so confused how I should feel about this.
What do you think, sis?
How's your mother, by the way? She's good. Yeah, she's good. And your father? He's good too. Yeah, he's good. And what about your sisters? They're good too. They're good, yeah.
This confirms that cat lovers are indeed psychopaths.
Alright, I drink my water.
Anyone else getting uncomfortable by the way she's scratching the screen like that?
Mom, that's the mouse. Mouse. Oh my.
She went from
Oh, fuck it. Oh man. We should have got tired. That was so funny.
No, it wasn't.
they both paused at them for no reason. it was like, like, oh my man.
Corey's losing.
a night out with the girls to a night of fighting crime.
Hey guys, I cannot go to dinner tonight. No, I don't care. I'm just going to be fine.
What is your name?
It's Roshandi Tanisha Mission Kingston Town and Drisha Linda Shakaya Rockwood.
Hey, Roshandi, Tanisha, me, Panisha, me, Simba, Kwani, Misha, Manika, Missy, Manika, Shima, World, the other six dinner.
I hear a shot! Okay, Matt, calm down. What kind of shot?
Relationships are great and all, but losing circulation of blood can cause a serious stroke.
The laughing before
Camera?
got me.
Is the camera a little wet? Because of you.
It's good. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's the video. Hope y'all liked it.
I personally thought it wasn't as funny, but
It was kind of funny at the end. Of course, she didn't like it, but I did, and I lost. So, hooray to her, I guess. But, anyways, if y'all liked it, leave a like and comment if y'all want. We're here. We'll listen to y'all. So, just subscribe and
join the family.
join the family, really. But
Stay tuned for the next video.
thank y'all. Have a good one.